If for any reason you want to remove some chats from favorites, stay until the end of the video to find out how. After opening WhatsApp, swipe down slightly to reveal favorites. Next, tap on Favorites. On this screen, all active chats added to favorites are displayed. To delete inactive or active chats, click on Manage Favorites. Remove any chats you want by clicking on the trash icon next to them. Confirm by clicking the checkmark, and that's it. Your favorites group has been updated. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and support our work.